Hello guys, today I am going to show you how to create a responsive login page in ASP.NET using Bootstrap. So first of all, open your Visual Studio, create a new project. Now take one web form Now go to Chrome and type get bootstrap. Copy this CSS only link and paste it in the head section. Remove this part. Take one class, container, Jumbotron, BG Light, and give style. In that we have to give width 35%. Here I am giving the width value in percentage. Why? Because we have to create it responsive. That's why we are taking your in percentage value. Now take one form tag. Within that form tag, we have to take one div tag and take one S2 header tag. Now give some classes for this header tag. Give them background color and the text color as text white. You can see here in design the background color is dark color, that is dark gray color, and the text color is white color. This color is getting bigger because of the bootstrap. Okay, and we have linked the bootstrap CSS link here. Now move on, take another div, take label, give email address, give some classes for this, and style. Eighty percentage, 80%. Okay. Now take another div tag, another div tag, one more div tag, and give an symbol. Now give classes here. Give classes for this label tag, text dark, and for your can give anything. Okay, you can see the email. This has been changed. Email text, email address text. Now I'm building this .NET project. I'm running this project. Let's see how it appears in browser. You can see the in this way you can see in the browser how it appears. Now in this in front of this @ symbol we have to take one text box. But first we have to take some classes for this @ symbol also, because it's the appearance of that it also looks good. Okay, so for that we have to take class. Input group text. Now after that we have to take one text box. Add class for text box, that is CSS class. Form control. Now refresh the page. You can see the email address text box is now looking good. We have to align this text box and this text in center. For that we have to take here align center. Now refresh the page. You can see all the content in this container is now in center. Now take another div, copy this label and paste it in this div tag. After that, copy this text box also and paste it after label. Now we have to give class for this. You can see here we have to change the here text address, this email address text to password. And we have to make this text box as text mode password, so that the password when the user enter should be in star password. Now refresh the page. You can see the password. Now you can see that the first text box that is smaller than the second one. Now we have to make this second text box same as the first one. Okay, for that we have to give the width for this text box. Width is equals to 80%. Okay, now you can see now it's equal for the first with the first one. Okay, now take another div tag. In that we have to take one checkbox and one label. Change the class for this label. Give the form check label class. Now give the class for this checkbox. This checkbox is a .NET control. So here instead of class it's a CSS class. Okay, now give the class form check input. Give class here also some. Form group, then form check. save and refresh our page in browser. You can see now we have to change the text here. Instead of password we have to make it remember me. Nice, perfect. Now we have to take one button. Give the tag submit. Give the CSS class for this button. btn primary. Now you can see this one. Okay. After button we have to take one div tag. In that we have to take one not one, we have to take two link button. We have already taken two link button. Okay, change the text for the first link button. Forget password. New user. Now we have to give class for this both this link button. CSS class, that is class btn. In that we have to take btn link. Copy this class and paste in the second link button. Save and refresh our web page browser. You can see now it's looking good. Go to browser and type box shadow generator. Open the first link. Now we have to generate the CSS code for the shadow next to our login page. Okay, in horizontal length we have to give -1, and in vertical length we have to give 4. In blur radius we have to take 26, and in spread radius we have to take 11. Now the like this way the shadow will be going to generate beside our login page. So just copy this CSS code, go to Visual Studio. Now create one CSS file, style sheet. Okay, if you're not getting from here, then click on new item. paste the CSS code here. Now we have to link this custom.css file in our login.xps file page. Take one link tag. Now href attribute, that we have to link our CSS file. Select the custom CSS. Okay, now we have to use that this box shadow class in our div tag here. After that bg light, we have to enter the box shadow. It's not showing here. It's not showing here. Let's check in the CSS file why it's not. Oh, this one is class, so we have to give dot in front of the class name. Save this and now type it box shadow. Now you can see box shadow. Save this page and go to browser and refresh our page. View in browser. Now you can see the shadow behind our login page. Okay, the border of this login page is now visible with the shadow. Now we have to give some space at the top of this login page. For that we can use simply break tag. For that, let's give 2 break tag. Save it and refresh our page. Now you can see it. Now it's look perfect and it's a responsive also. You can minimize our browser as you can make it small. The login page also become small and small. Okay, so responsive login page has been created successfully.